Hello everybody, my name is Diana Nagorna. I'm a designer. I work with natural wool in felting technique. Beside my main creative work, I hold the workshops in Russia, Ukraine, European countries, and even in Latin America. Because not everybody can attend live workshops, I got an idea to record a series of video lessons on different topics. And the first topic is elegance of simple solutions in felt using a dress as an example. For the beginners, this course will be very useful and interesting because I show all the stages of work, beginning with the pattern building till the finishing of the product. And it's a large layer of information based on my long-term experience. Due to this audio course, you'll save a great amount of time and materials and be much closer on the way to your goal. And this video course will be very interesting and useful for those who are already familiar with the material, its properties, who have already made some small things, but are afraid to start making clothes because they don't feel confident, don't know something about the pattern building or the material properties, how to work with the form or how to finish the product. This video course helps to cope with the fear of a big item, because here I show the shortest and the most effective way to a good result. It's not scary, it's interesting and easy. For experienced masters, this video course is a big portion of inspiration, because sometimes if you are proficient enough, you can reach a plateau when you already know quite a lot, but it's not clear where you need to go next. And you need just one spark, one push for creative work, which will launch your inner creative potential. And this video course will help you a lot. Besides, like a practical person, I focus on developing the necessary skills, the ability to work with different materials, feel the materials, taking from the theory its essence. I appreciate my time and your time. That's why this video lesson is sharp and clear. Let's create beautiful things together.